How to download Epic Games on PC 2025. I know a lot of you guys want to download games like Fortnite that may be exclusive to Epic Games. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you exactly how you can do that. How to download Epic Games on your PC. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to head into your browser and you want to type in gd7please.blogspot.com/2025/11/epic.html and you want to hit enter. Once the site loads, you want to press on Epic Games download and it's going to redirect you into Epic Games website. From here, you want to head into top right of the screen. You can see download. You want to press on download and Epic Games is going to start downloading on your computer. Once Epic Games is done downloading from the website, this is going to come up on your computer. You just want to press on it and you want to press on install. You want to also give it access to your computer. So it's going to ask you, you want to just press yes, and Epic Games is going to start installing on your computer. How to download Epic Games Launcher on PC. Once Epic Games is done installing on your computer, this is the screen that you're going to see. From here, you want to sign in or you can make another account depending on if you have an Epic Games account or not. I have an account, so I'm going to sign in and I'm going to see you on the next side of the screen. How to download Epic Games Store on PC. As you can see, Epic Games is now installed and working on my computer. And if you want to play any games, you just want to buy the game and you can go on your library and you can press on install right here. So that's it for the video, guys. That's how you download Epic Game on your computer 2025. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please join the Discord down in the description.